Good morning, grade 1 mathematicians. Today we are going to be talking about word problems. Our learning target is here. It says I can answer adding story problems. That means we are going to be answering some word problems that have stories in them, and we'll be using adding to figure it out. So it says here, write the numbers above the number words. So on the left, we have 4 flowers in a pot. And so that'll be the number 4. And we have 3 more flowers. So we'll write the number 3. We have 4 flowers. We have got 3 more. The question is, how many flowers are there altogether? That word altogether, the blue one, tells us that we are going to be adding, and our answer is going to be the total. So what is our adding sentence going to be? Well, we have 4 and we have 3 more, so we'll do 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer should be 7. There we go. That's how we do the first one. Let's try another one. Let's solve this. We have 4 flowers. We have 6 more flowers. How many altogether? Well, let's make an adding sentence, addition sentence. So we had 4 flowers. We have 6 more, and we want to figure out how many there are altogether. So we'll add it up. Let's see. To do this adding, it's a little bit trickier. I'm going to start with counting. I actually don't need to count the 6 pink flowers because I know there are 6 of them. And if I know that there are 6 pink ones, and I'll count the 4 red ones, 7, 8, 9, 10. There should be 10 altogether. Let's do another question. If we have 5 flowers and 9 more flowers, and we want to know how many there are altogether, what would you write as your adding sentence? All right, interesting. Camden tells me he would do 5 plus 9. And if we have 5 and do 9 more, how many will that be altogether? I'm going to start by noticing there are 9 yellow ones, and then I'm going to count 5 more after 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Fantastic. 5 plus 9 is 14. Let's do something a little trickier. What if we have 3 flowers, 5 more flowers, and 4 more flowers? How many are there altogether? Joe is telling me we would write 3 plus 5 plus 4. How many is that in total? Figure it out. Callum says he did 3 plus 5 and he got 8, and then figured out 8 plus 4 is 12. Good job, Callum. It is 12. So now I have a question for you. Is it easier to draw flowers in a pot with the hands and everything, or is it easier to draw just the flowers? Now, does it change depending on the picture? Is the math any easier or any harder? Is it easier to count 4 flowers in a pot, or just 4 flowers, or is it easier just to count 4 circles? Okay, well, Archer thinks that the math is the same no matter what the picture. So just to make it a little easier, let's just use circles. Okay, so let's write addition sentences for these and solve them. So the first one, we have 4 flowers and 6 more flowers, and we just put the circles there instead of all the flowers. How many are there altogether? Well, we have 4 plus 6, and altogether, is it 10 or is it 11? Oh, Ethan tells me it's 10. There we go. In the second question here, we have 8 apples and 9 more apples. How many are there altogether? Okay, Fraser tells me it's 8 plus 9, and 8 plus 9 I think is 18. Oh, it's only 17. Okay, 8 plus 9 is 17. I'll take your word for it. Now, what are you going to do if you have 7 trees and 5 more trees? How many circles are you going to put for those 7 trees? 7. And for 5 more trees, how many would you draw for 5 trees? 5. Good one. Okay. How many are there altogether? Well, let's just add them up. 7 plus 5. I'm going to start with 7 and add 5 more. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I got 12. Did you get 12? Okay, Fraser is nodding. He got 12. There we go. And we can even do this for harder questions. Imagine we had 6 dancers, 7 more dancers, and 4 more dancers. How many altogether? Well, we could make 6 and 7 and 4, and altogether it would be 6 plus 7 plus 4. How can we find the answer here? I don't know what the answer is, but I do know that I think I might start with 7 plus 4 because I know that's 11. And then I would do 6 more after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 6 plus 4 plus 7 is 17. So that's kind of how you would do some adding story problems. Do you think you could do some on your own? That's our target. I can answer adding story problems. If you think you can, I would like you to do it on page 196 to 198 and upload your work to show me that you are an expert at answering adding story problems. Have a great day and God bless.